Welcome back. If you're looking for a quick and straightforward way to get the Minecraft client up and running, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete installation process, and by the end, we'll launch the game together and see everything working live. We'll begin by downloading the latest version of the client using the link provided. Once the archive has finished downloading, extract all of the files to any convenient location on your computer. Password from archive 4545. It only takes a short moment before everything is ready. When the installation is complete, open the Minecraft client and launch the game. From this point on, just keep your eyes on the screen. Instead of explaining every single feature one by one, I'll let the gameplay speak for itself while you see exactly how everything works inside Minecraft. I hope this walkthrough helped you get started. Thanks for watching, enjoy the showcase, and I'll see you again in the next video.